Okay, Dr. Hubner here, Natural Transplants, and I'm here with Azim. And Azim, as you remembered, we documented his surgery day video, and now he's here at 13 months, calling me from out of town, but I wanted everyone to see his result. And Azim, man, you look awesome, dude. Just from one surgery, unbelievable. And how do you like your hair? And tell me what other people have been saying, and how's life?
I love the hair. I love the hair even more now after seeing my before pictures. Just seeing how much more hair I have now.
Yeah.
The hairline has definitely made a difference. Whereas I feel a lot younger.
Awesome.
From now.
Yeah.
And yeah, people compliment it. They say it looks a lot better.
Yeah.
I look a lot younger.
Yeah.
So I'm loving the hair.
Awesome, man. Awesome. And it gives you just one less thing to worry about when you go out. How your hair looks. Yeah. So. Awesome. Well, dude, I'm very happy for you. And, as everyone knows, one surgery is going to give you about 30 to 40% of your density back. So in certain areas, especially I'm sure, Azim, when it's wet, it can be a little spacey and gappy in places. Another pass through that area would thicken things up quite a bit. If you ever wanted to get more density, he certainly has the hair for it. And couldn't be happier for you. Congratulations.
I really appreciate it. I went to the right doctor. I really love the work you've done. I'm definitely thinking about another one.
Yep.
And
just thickening things up, basically. Yep.
I mean, once anyone sees the video, when they see the before picture, that's when you can really appreciate the work that's been done here.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
I really love it. Yeah.
Well, thanks again for showing your fans and updating everyone. Thank you.
Appreciate it.
You got it.
Thank you so much.